This is Kenzo, extra hot Forex. So it's Monday. So I just want to go through NASDAQ 100 and US30. I hope you're having a very nice and good Monday. So let's go straight to the analysis. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like, share, and also comment. You can even ask whatever that you want that is related to NASDAQ 100 or US30. If you are new here, I know that maybe you don't know, I also offer signals on Telegram and WhatsApp. If you are interested, it's $15 one-time fee, but I think that it will change very time. I mean, coming few weeks when I reach the number that I want, so that I can just make it a one-time fee. Sorry, a month to month fee. So at the moment it's still a one-time fee. So let's go straight to our analysis. So here is NASDAQ. It's 4 hour time frame. I hope you can see that it's here. So the best thing when you trade, please start with a bigger time frame. You can even start with a daily, so to make things very easy. So if maybe you just want to know about what happened here, you can still check my other videos that I did last week. So here it's our support, and now it seems to be our resistance. You can see that the market came and retested here, even here. You saw that there back. Even the market broke here. I just want to show you, this is very important. Let me clear this lines here. I just want to show you because I can see a very nice confirmation that I used to talk about. So you can see the market came here, retested from this point, even here. So here the market broke this point, and you know what happened? The market came again and retest from this point. It showed us that the market actually is going down. You see that? Then the market then pushed down. So here you can also see that it's our new support actually. But since we know this point, actually it's a very strong point. It's a support, resistant. So the market came here, I think on Friday, jumped from this point, then came here and retested here again. I think the market can still reach this point. And again, to show, to make things simple, that we are still on a bearish, you can see here on a 4 hour, you can see since I think I don't know, since around the 15th of February, around 15th and 17th, so around there. So you can see that the market just started from this point, yeah, around the sea. Yeah, you can see the date. From that point, even now the market is still going down. You see that? So from this point the market was just respecting this. Let me just throw the second one. I like to do something like this to show that this is a zone. It's not like the market should just respect my only one trend line. So it's a zone. The market can still play around this zone. So you can take this one, something like that. So as you can see, the market just played around this point. You can see it from here, this point, even here, even if the market did not touch there. 1, 2, 3, you can see that the market was just going down non-stop. So here we have our support, and here the market broke here and then came and retested here again. You can see the market came and respect this point again. So it shows that the market actually still going down, but still anything can happen. from now on, you've seen that the market just respected this point. So since the market came here once, even if we can see several candles, because this is a 4-hour time frame, so we expect the market to come around here again before we can go up. So for us to say the market is now going up, it means the market has to break this support resistance here, and even this one, because it's still strong, this one, the market has to break, retest before it goes up. You see that? This thing here, it's similar. What I'm trying to say when I say the market break and goes up, it's similar to this one here. The market breaks here, retest, go down. The market breaks here, retest again, go up. So I think maybe you can see that it's very easy to read or to see. So let's go to a smaller time frame to see what's happening around there. So just because we don't have to stick to only one time, only one time frame, so we have to see this in a different picture. So here on a smaller time frame, it's an hour. Since we are in between this, here we are between this now, it's like the market broke, retested. Now it's like we are consolidating around this point. So for us to say that the market is going up, it means the market has to break these walls, either this one. Firstly, it has to be this one, and this is the second one. So here it's our support. So at the moment, the market is still, the overall picture here, the market at the moment on this short term, whether it's 4-hour or daily, the market is still pushing down, you see. So I think people, they can still have a nice sell around here, but anything can happen. But we are still on a bearish momentum, so we will wait for the market to push. Maybe if the market reaches this point and we see something nice, then we can take a trade, a buy trade. So then for the sell, obviously we missed this one. Unfortunately, I don't take sell orders, sell position on NASDAQ unless I see a very like monthly sell off. Then I will say I can start to sell. But these things, indices, they just go up now and then. So it's not surprising when they sometimes retest or take a break like this when they go down, because they just go up now and then. So you can see, let me show you on a monthly time frame. You can see that before I even do anything, you can see that. So this thing is just going up. So that's why I say I just take only buy orders, and it's easy because I only worry about that buy orders. I don't worry about other orders. So it's easy for me and it's very effective, and it's I can able to manage my risk, because when I see, or I always check, or I'm always hunting for a bullish momentum, when the market is about to go up. So I don't worry much about the sell. It's a simple strategy that makes me not to trade often, but for other people, they always want to be in the market. They just want to take everything, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Then you lose. I also lose on my buy orders, but it's not gonna be like someone who also takes sell orders and who mix everything. So I hope you get my point now. So don't forget, guys, to hit that likes and subscribe. Let's grow the channel, so that please like, so that other people, they can find this channel. I think maybe this information can help them, you see. So at the moment, so I think this is very easy. I don't think I have to take your time to show you more, because you can see the market is still pushing down. So maybe you want, if you are, some people, they like to draw something like this. I don't really draw stuff like this. If this is a downtrend, I focus on the above trend because I'm waiting for the market to break. As I told you, I only buy. But if you are a seller, obviously you sell. Uh, you will wait for this point. Then you know the market is going up. Here you will sell. Here you will buy. If you trade like that. But if you are a seller, obviously I don't think you will be taking any buy position because you don't want to go against the traffic. The traffic is going down, so I don't see the point why you will want to go up. So the point is at the moment you will just want to sell only, sell only. So that way you would be much safer. I'm not saying you won't lose, but that way it will make your work very easy. So don't be that trader who just want to trade the whole day. No, that way you will just lose. So thank you guys. Let's go straight to US30. Don't forget I have this $15 group that I send signals. Unfortunately, I can't send on YouTube. It's gonna delay everything. So the best way is to be in the group. Is $15. I don't think there's anyone who can complain about $15. You see, it's lifetime. So but I think when I reach 50 people, I'll also change that to one time so that I can able to manage my people, because I can't have like more than 100 people in the same group. When they ask question, I will take like 4 hours to respond. So that's why I want to make it a one sorry monthly, uh, month to month payment. So here it's US30. Everything is also simple here, guys. So on it, let me go on a bigger time frame so that I can draw everything smoothly. So we are on a 4 hour time frame here. You can see that. So the best thing that you can do, firstly, find your resistance and support. Here my resistance is here. I think it makes sense. I like to draw double lines so that you can see where the market plays around. The market sometimes reach this point, sometimes it doesn't. You can see even this point, even here the market uh, did not reach the other line that I've drawn here. So it's useful. Some people they can still use this. Some they can use this. There's no problem with that. You can see that. So we are on a resistant, and it seems to be a very strong resistant. Let's use this one. I also think it's gonna be a resistant when times goes on. So you can see that the market it's just hit this resistant, and there was a fake there was a fake breakout. You can see that if maybe you didn't close your orders here, obviously your market may be turned on you. So this it's a strong resistant. Don't play around this. If maybe you have a sell, you can place your sell here, then it's gonna be good, I think. So let's check for a support. uh, a support should be where our lines you can see here, but from this point the market never respected this point, so I'm not gonna draw that one. You can see it it did make sense from this point. You can see from up to this point the market was just respecting this level, but this level is no longer valid. Even if the market sometimes struggles to push around this level, but at the moment it's no longer count. Let me remove that. Sometimes you don't have to fight the market. Trade what you see. If things change, don't force your analysis on the trades, right? Make sure you trade what you see. If you have too much information, sometimes you'll end up forcing the market to do things that you want, and unfortunately the market don't respect, they won't respect whatever that you do. So here we are, something like this. On 4 hour time frame the market is just going down, keep going down. You can see that. So here it seems like the market can still reach this point. You can see from this point the market was just zooming, going with this triangle, or you can call it a wedge. So until we see something breaks in here, it means we are still consolidating in this thing. I don't know if you can call it triangle or a wedge, something like this. So I see a very nice sell from this point. I think you also see that it's very easy. So, but the best thing, let's go to a different time frame and see if we can still see the same picture, because we don't have to stuck on it. Okay, it's perfect. You can see, it's perfect, perfect. So here we are. So you can see, let me draw this. You can see, okay, this made sense. We bought. My student made a lot from around somewhere here, maybe somewhere here. Yeah, here is the time we had NFP. The market just went down. Then after that we bought. Then I hope some of them they closed. So here you can see that the market is trying to push, and it's the same thing that happened even before. You see that. So we're hoping that the market will just go down. So but let's go straight to a smaller time frame. If maybe you want to sell this thing here, I don't know if maybe we missed that opportunity, but I don't think so. We are still on a very nice zone where we can sell. So when you want to sell, sometimes it becomes difficult because you don't know what to check, what to look. So what we can do is you do a small or a trend line. You can see here, maybe if you want to sell, if you wanted to sell from this point, no, this one was just going up. It's just that I think we are a bit late here. I think somewhere here when the market breaks this point, or just because we missed that one, let's just get another one. You can see from this point we have a consolidation that is going on. I don't know if you can see that. So for you to sell or to have a nice sell, you can see the market now bounced from this point several times. So for you to sell, it means you let the market break this point and go down, then you can have a very nice sell from there. But since the market is still consolidating around this point, it seems like the market can just play around until maybe when the market opens, because if the market is not open yet, the market will just play around. So if you don't know that, I think now you know. Before the market opens, the market just consolidate. When it opens, it will just shoot down or up or whatever. Then you will see stuff like that happens now and then. So if maybe for example, let's say maybe the market was still here, it means maybe you were going to draw something like this, where the candlesticks were just respecting this small support here. You can see once the market break here and closes below that, it's where you can sell. Unfortunately, it's just that the market is not open. Obviously, I'm just talking about that. So but if maybe the market was open, then the market, I think, maybe was going to push lower, because we have a nice breakout. But it's on a small time frame. Sometimes they do work on even on a small time frame, but the market doesn't really respect much on a small time frame, because when that happen, it will just be few pips, then the market push up. But on a bigger time frame, once the market push, it will just go down. So that's why it's very important for you to mix or not to use different time frames when you do your analysis. So thank you. I hope maybe you saw whatever that you wanted. Maybe you have any question, please left the comment. There is my WhatsApp and Telegram group on the description. Please hit that like so that other people they can find this kind of information. Also subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Thank you for watching Extra Hot Forex. This is Kenzo.